I'm taking Sophie on a leash and having Freddy off leash to see how Freddy does when he's off leash. We're around my neighborhood, just going for a walk. Come on. Come on, Freddy. What a good boy. Not too far, okay? Come on. Freddy, let's go. Good boy. It's pretty good. He's just staying close by. No, dirty. Come on, let's go. Come. Freddy, come on. Come next to me. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Some construction here. Come on, Freddy. So he's pretty good, even though not walking next to me, but just around me. And it's within my eyesight. Good boy, Freddy. Keeps coming back, checking on me.